again. This is another day here next to Disneyland. We woke up in our hotel in Ibis Marne Val d'Europe and we are ready for our second day in Disneyland. Today our plan is to visit the Walt Disney Studios. Yesterday we decided to go to see the evening fireworks show in the Disneyland Park. Fireworks show was very beautiful. I think it is a wonderful experience with all of the music, the lights, the fireworks. The show is wonderful. So that was yesterday's evening show. Today is a brand new day. We are starting it with a breakfast. Yesterday we had breakfast in Disneyland, but we realized that when you arrive to Disneyland at like 8 in the morning before the parks open, there are not a lot of breakfast options there, and the breakfast options that you have there are like fast food options like McDonald's, Starbucks, the one that we had yesterday, Earl of Sandwich, that is kind of a fast food as well. And we wanted really something local today, so I googled and there are like really nice bakeries next to us around our hotel, and we are going to go to one of them for breakfast, and after that we're going to take the train and head to Disney. The train to go to Disneyland from this Val d'Europe village from our Ibis hotel costs $1.90 per person, and that's just one stop. You hop on Val d'Europe here and you get on the next station, which is called Disney something. That was it regarding the news in Disney. Today's Walt Disney Park, I think it is like more for adults than for children, and they have more scary attractions. Hopefully my husband is going to enjoy some of them. I will enjoy the others that are making me feel more comfortable. I am looking forward to the one called Ratatouille, and also the Spider-Man could be fun. I got ready already, have my natural hair today. I just dried it with my Zuvi hair dryer. Once I started using it, I really feel that my hair is softer, it has like more life in it, and I really rarely use any kind of other heating tools on my hair. The earrings that I'm wearing today are the new earrings that I have from APM Monaco. These are like in the shape of a snake. I really like them, but I find it hard to pair them with my outfits and like daily looks. Hopefully I will find more ways to wear them. Also, I have a new bracelet here from APM Monaco. Those both the bracelet and the earrings, they have like rose gold, so they are like matchy, but at the same time I have a little bit of silver jewelry here. So that is like a mix of the jewelry colors. The top that I chose to wear today is a tank top from Stradivarius. This is a top from this year's spring-summer collection. I decided to wear like a cropped tank top today because it is supposed to be hot again, like 35 degrees, something like this. My shorts from Maj. These are the shorts from last year's spring-summer collection from Maj in the size 36. Wore them already a lot this summer and they are very comfortable. So this is my comfy look for the day in the Walt Disney Park. Also, I'm going to wear the same APL sneakers that I wore yesterday. I think I really recommend this brand of sneakers for like days when you want to be comfortable the whole day. I am also grabbing my nude Prada bag, which I am wearing most of the time this summer and last summer. You have seen it many times already. And I think that is it. We are ready to go and discover Walt Disney Park. This is my first time ever in Walt Disney Park. I've been in Disneyland Park before, but in Walt Disney not yet, so I am very excited. have just finished having breakfast here next to our hotel, and I really like the bakery where we went. My husband was not quite impressed by the croque monsieur that he chose for himself, but I had like breakfast set. It is an espresso, an orange juice, and pastry. I took the pain au chocolat, and also we took 5 madeleines, and that was overall delicious, and we sat outside in the sun. It was a really nice breakfast. Now heading towards Disney. That is the building of our hotel, the Ibis Hotel, and here is the entrance to the train station, but that is the entrance on the other side. As we're walking from the bakery, we'll be entering the train station from this side, but there is also an entrance which is straight in front of Ibis, which is really nice and really comfortable. Successfully arrived to the Walt Disney Studios. We came straight to the opening. The opening of the Walt Disney Studios is at 9:30 in the morning. We arrived there at 9:20, 9:25. We spent around 15 minutes waiting in the line. There was already a huge crowd of people waiting to get in, and now we are heading inside, and the first thing that we are going to go to is the Spider-Man. Just finished with the Spider-Man attraction, and I have to say it is not worth the time of waiting. We were waiting for a little bit more than an hour, and the attraction itself was very fast, and it was fun, but too fast for a wait for more than 1 hour. Hollywood Tower Hotel. That is one of the scariest attractions in the world. The first Hollywood Tower Hotel, I believe it was done in the US in the Disneyland in the 90s, and it got so popular that it got its copies in other Disneylands around the world. And the thing about it is that you climb the top, at the top you sit in the room, and then the room keeps falling down like you're in an elevator that is broken, something like this. And the biggest fall that you get to do there is about 30 meters high, and as for me it is something I wouldn't want to experience, so I am skipping this attraction. But if you are into attractions like this, you should probably check out this one. My husband went to do the Avengers Flight Force attraction, which I don't want to do because I'm not a fan of Avengers and I'm not a fan of the roller coaster rides. I am just walking around discovering the place. Like this one looks a little bit sick. These parachutes are supposed to go up and down, I think. Okay, we're gonna wait and see how they're gonna do it. Okay, it doesn't look too scary, but it doesn't look like something pleasant, like a special experience. I mean, it doesn't have any special atmosphere to me.
Ok.
Les amis, il n'y a qu'un mot pour décrire cet écrou. Ciao!
We decided to take some French food today here in Walt Disney Park, and my husband took a raclette sandwich. I took a tartiflette, and we have 2 glasses of rosé here. What we managed to do by now is to go to the Spider-Man attraction. Then my husband went to the Avengers Flight Force attraction. He said it was really crazy. He almost lost his glasses out there. So that one is like thrilling one. Then we went to the Ratatouille attraction. Good tip is on Ratatouille attraction and on some other attractions here in Walt Disney Park, there is a single access. So if you don't care if you sit next to your partner or no, you can go to the singles line, and then it moves like so much faster, and you get seated without your partner somewhere with like other people. But it is just like so much faster. It really saves lots of time. This way we went to see the Ratatouille. I loved Ratatouille. It was not scary, it was just fun and nice and cute. And after the Ratatouille we went to the Cars trip. I expected it to be really like childish, but in the end it was fun. You know, they are putting you in this little train. The line moves very fast because the train is like full of seats. Then this train moves like through the forest, and in the middle of everything there happens like a fire, and then there is like a waterfall, and well, that was fun. I like that Cars trip. And after the Cars trip we were hungry, so we went for a lunch, and I've already shown you our lunch. It was like a French snack kind of lunch with some glasses of wine, which are helpful on such a hot day. And now we are heading to get some sweet snacks. Sorry, disregard my hat. It is like 40 degrees outside, so I really need a hat, and I don't have a nice one here right now. We arrived to the Portuguese corner because my husband wants to have this Portuguese pastry. I don't know what exactly this its name is. This one in the middle. think we have covered everything that we wanted to see here in Walt Disney Park, and we are now going to head back to Disneyland Park, where we've been yesterday, and go to the Indiana Jones attraction, and then probably buy some more souvenirs and head back home. This is a wonderful day. I love Walt Disney Park Studios. It was my first time here, and I think I'm going to come back. We are finishing our day here in the Disney in Paris. We just left Vapiano. If you know Vapiano, it is I think it is a worldwide chain of Italian kind of fast food restaurants. They are not like fast food like McDonald's, but they make Italian meals quite fast, and it is not very expensive. So we spent some time there, and now we are heading towards the train. I think we've managed to cover everything we wanted during these 2 days in Disneyland. We loved them, really. We bought the souvenirs we wanted, we visited the attractions we wanted, and we understood something very important for us for next time. We loved it here, but we think that we can squeeze all of the attractions we want to visit in one day, and if we pay for the Premier Access ticket. Premier Access ticket is a more expensive ticket that you can buy in Disneyland and both for Disneyland and Walt Disney Studios Park, and this way you can access all of the attractions without a line, and this saves you just such an incredible amount of time and energy that you spend waiting in these huge lines to go to the most popular attractions, that we feel that next time this is going to be something that we think it is worth spending, and this way we don't have to pay for 2 days to visit the attractions we wanted. So that is my tip for the visiting Disney parks. I really loved here. It always feels feel like coming back to childhood always feels special. I really recommend Disney parks to everyone. I will see you soon in another vlog.